Hi folks, it's Chef Kevin. What I'll be making now is a French style omelette. In the Western civilization there are two different types of omelets. There's the French style omelette and the American style omelette. There is a big difference between the two. The French style omelette is more elegant and more simple. It only uses a few ingredients. On the other hand, since America is like the idea of bigger is better, you have omelets that have several different types of ingredients like ham, cheese, and so forth. They're much more bigger, they're much more bulkier, and they're much more cooked. They're usually brown on the outside, whereas the French omelette is yellow, it has no brown on it. The American omelette is usually the ones that are sold at places like Denny's and IHOP and so forth. So let's get right into it. Now the key to any good omelette are good ingredients. The fresher the eggs, the better the omelette. And I'm also using a high quality butter. This is Kerrygold butter from Ireland, made from grass-fed cows. It's very good. I have 3 eggs in here, whisking them up. I don't want to over whisk them. I don't want a lot of air inside the egg. But I want to make sure that the egg white and the yolk are incorporated. You can usually tell that when you lift up the beater, the whisk, that it has separated. I mean, it has come together, which is what you want. This is actually going to go pretty quickly. Tablespoon of butter, my Irish butter, pan is hot enough. Eggs in. What I'm going to do now is stir them constantly. This will make it cook quicker, and it'll cook it more thoroughly. You can't just put the eggs in there and let them set. And then at some point you stop when it gets more solidified. You can push the egg around the pan so that it's flat. Now the key is not to overcook it, because on the inside it's supposed to be nice and moist, not dried out. Gonna just let that go for a second. Okay, folks. It's not solid on the top, but you don't want it to be solid on the top. I'm now going to start folding it over. I'm going to use a damp paper towel to form it. This is the proper shape for
So how are the eggs?
Eggs are eggs.
Eggs are eggs. That is very profound. By the same token, could you say fish is fish? I don't think so.
This is the proper shape for a French omelette. What I'm going to do now is just take a little cold butter, just rub it along the length of it, give it a little shine, and now I'm going to take a little sea salt and just sprinkle it over the top. Now, notice that it has no color to it. In other words, it has no brown color to it. It's supposed to be yellow. I'm going to cut this baby open. And you can see that it is nice and moist on the inside. Or at least I hope you can see that. That is a proper French omelette. And if I had some chives, some fresh chives, I would sprinkle it over the top. However, I don't. Well, thanks for watching.